Hello. As a passionate bargain hunter and expert on product reviews, I wanted to share with you a special product that I recently came across. In this video review, I'll give you useful information about the product. Once you have finished watching my review, you'll be in a much better position to determine if this is a product that you should purchase. If you're ready to get started, then check out the video right now.
Body Max Power Deluxe Magnetic Recumbent Bike. Why best? Pros. Cons.
I hope you enjoyed the review. I appreciate you watching and hope that you learned a lot about this exceptional product.